This is how to show events on a TradingView chart. Now, the multiple dots here, orange, red, and green, are ideas from the TradingView community on this specific stock. So we're looking at NVIDIA. The E here is an earnings result that if you click on, it expands and it shows you details about which quarter it was, the earnings, revenue, but also estimates, the actual reported results, and the surprise between the two. Here is earnings, here is revenue. The blue here, D, is dividend. When was a dividend paid? When it went ex-dividend, when it was actually paid, and the amount. The S here shows stock split. So NVIDIA split 10-for-1 in June of 2024. But let's look deeper into this and change the way our chart looks. Now, obviously, we don't want all these green dots. It's too heavy. We right click on the canvas, go to settings, and we are here in events. Now, ideas can be all ideas, people we follow, even our own ideas. But if we untoggle this, then the chart becomes much cleaner and we only see dividends and earnings. Now, maybe we don't want dividends and splits. We only want earnings, latest news, and news notification. So you see dividends and splits disappeared. We only have earnings, and the thunder icon here shows latest updates. You can customize it to your own liking. This is how we can customize events and how they look on a chart on TradingView. Have a great day, guys.